Hi friends, so in our previous session we have discussed what is tree map and created a simple program on tree map. And in today's session we'll create a small program using tree map and passing class as an parameter to the tree map. So here the brief description of user-defined class objects in tree map. So if so we can pass class objects to treemap collection and helps to add multiple values to a single key. It means that the single key can contain multiple values in a collection. So the basic syntax here is the tree map and followed by the integer. Integer is the data type for the key elements and the class name. So we have to pass the class name here and the object. We have to initialize the object for this tree map. Now we will create a small program uh, by taking class as a type and and pass objects as values. So first thing is open the Eclipse and create a new class. And create a new class and name it as tree map class. Object. Now I've created a basic structure of a class. Now we will create another class and will pass this class as an argument to the tree map. Student. We'll name it as student. So this program will pass student details like roll number, name and result status to the constructor parameters. Roll number, string name, comma, result. Now we will create a constructor for this. Uh, now we will assign the class variables to this constructor variables. This dot roll number. This refers to the current class variables. Name this dot result. So we have created a class called student and passed three values. One is roll number, name and result. Okay. Now we will create an object of student in this class and pass the values to the constructors. Student s1 is equal to new space student of enter the value for the roll number and the name and result. Let's say it's pass. So the object s1 contains these values. Now I will create another object and pass these values. So let's say it's fail. Okay, now I want to add these values to a collection. How will I do this? Create the tree map class and student. So the type of collection is student. So I'm passing student as a type for this collection. Tree map integer student. We have to import util package for tree maps. You can right click on this and click on import tree map. So it will import the java.util.treemap package. Next, I have initialized an object for treemap class. Now I have to insert the values into this collection. How will I do this? So use the object of treemap, that is tp is the object for treemap class. tp dot put off. It is this put function used to add the values, key and values to the collection. The values key, you can give any values key, and the value is I'm passing s1 object of class student as value to this function. Next, put is a key and pass another object to this, that is s2. So now my collection contains values of both objects s1 and s2. Okay, now how will I print this? You have to use a for each loop and use the class map.in3. Initialize any object, take me. Now tp dot call entry set of. The entry set of will retrieve all the key and value pairs of the collection. Okay. Now declare the object for the class student. Student is equal to the type student. me dot get value of. The get value of function will get the values of the collection. Now I will print the values of the collection. System.out.println roll roll number. We can use s dot roll number, so it will print the value of the roll number. Similarly for name, s dot name, same as first result. So now we are done with this and we will run the program. Let's restart this if there's some problem. Just a moment. So now it has printed the values of roll number, name, result.